Yes, hi. My husband passed away a few months ago, and I own a home. We've owned it together for 20 years. We have a warranty deed that has husband and wife on it. And we also have a ladybird deed for our children. So I'm wondering, what do I need to do in regards to my home? What do I need to
Pat,
report?
we're so sorry for your loss.
Thank you.
Pat, the good news is there's very little that you need to do. So you own the home jointly with your husband. That means when he passed away, his interest in the home automatically passed to you. No probate required. You do not get a new deed. All you do is record his death certificate in the public records of Seminole County. That old deed, together with his death certificate, will tell the world that you're now the sole owner of your home. By the way, while you're recording his death certificate in Seminole County, because he's passed away, you're entitled to an additional real estate tax exemption called widow's exemption. So you can apply for that at the same time. It's worth $500. And so, Pat, that's the only thing that you need to do. This ladybird deed that you did to avoid probate when you pass away to your kids, I suppose, that ladybird deed is still good to go. You do not need to make changes in that either.
Very good. So just record the death certificate.
You got it, and apply for your widow's exemption with the Seminole County Tax Appraiser's Office.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
So, Tom, that brings up a point that we don't often talk about. And so I want to mention this because of Pat's situation. So, again, Pat, we're sorry for your loss for your husband. However, good for you and your husband. We help thousands of people each year do ladybird deeds, and in particular, husbands and wives. And the reason we are so passionate about that tool is because now it's simple for Pat.
Yeah.
So the point is, when a husband and wife do a ladybird deed with us, when we redeed that for you, and it means that you may have done it a few years before, you may have done it 20 years before there's a death. The idea being is that once you do that ladybird deed and one spouse dies, the survivor, like in Pat's situation, they've already taken care of the fact that now what happens when they both die, so that they know that the ladybird deed portion will go directly to their adult children, no probate required. Spouse number one dies, Pat's husband dies, she now records his death certificate in the county where your property is located. And then, of course, Tom, like you mentioned, she can apply for the widow exemption. But other than that, Pat does not have to do anything else.
I think the message that you may be telling our listeners today is that as far as estate planning is concerned, it's nice to do it while both the husband and wife are alive.
Correct.
It's just a more of a teamwork effort that way.
Team and peace of mind for both of them because it's done.
Exactly. So now Pat doesn't have to worry about, I got to get down there and do it before it's too late kind
Correct.
of thing. It's all done.
Correct. She's grieving, and it really should be about her and her timeline, but she knows that she and her husband did this together.
Yeah, exactly.